made some angle iron. I put these 16 of these lengths, 36 inches long, and then I joined them together in the middle and got that arch. And then I'm going to take these 4 and I'm going to put them together and make it look like this. And this is going to be one of the legs to my gantry. I'm going to put a wheel on the bottom, and then I'm going to have a beam that goes across. So it'll be like a big swing set with a 3,500 pound electric winch, and I'm going to put a little spot to put the battery on and run the wires up to the battery, and have a remote control or a wire control switch, depending control, to make it go up and down. And we'll be able to like disassemble it and roll it around and put it in the truck if we need to go somewhere, and reassemble it, and then lift something up and put it on the truck, and then take it apart again, load this up with whatever I loaded on the truck, and bring it back home again. So it's really lightweight. I make all 4 legs to unbolt like this. I mean, the integrity of this is like unbelievable. It's made out of spring steel bed rails. Okay, so I guess what I should do is finish welding this. Now that I've got some gas, I can finish welding this. Basically button off against one another, and that's giving me my design. So I cut them all 10 inches long. So I got them 20 inches out from the door, and I got 70 degrees. That's going to be my footprint, 70 degrees. So I'm going to weld them together, and then I'm going to put this piece, I'm going to weld that right on top. I'm going to put a gusset across here to attach this to. Well, I'm going to cut this off square so this fits flat on the top of these 2 posts. And then whatever we put in there for a pipe or a gantry, it'll sit inside here and get bolted together. So you can disassemble this thing if you ever have to move it. Okay, so I'm going to go 0. I need it at 0. That's level. So there we go. I'm going to cut that off. But before I do, I'm going to weld it together. So there's our gantry. And it comes up, two big bolts go in here. And then I got this big piece of material here. And then I got it all boxed in. And there's what the other thing looks like on the other post. And there's a slit up the middle so I can put a little T in there somewhere. I want to put a T in and put it in any position. Got an inner structure welded inside, so the force should be shouldn't wave this thing at all, I don't think. Here I'm just going to be finishing the wheel so it looks like that side over there. So now I need to make this L bracket right here and drill a hole in it, 5/8 hole. This is my frame that I built for the past 2 days, and it did the job like you wouldn't believe, and I'm very happy with it. Now I'm going to give it a nice paint job. I'm going to put some implement paint on it. So there she is. She's all painted. The bed rail crane, made out of bed rails. 3,500 pound winch, and then you put a snatch block in it and it's twice as strong. See you on the next one. Hope you enjoy this one. Later.